Hello and welcome everyone. I'm your science teacher Himlita Chandolia. Students, today we are going to solve the exercise part of chapter number 15 of class 8 science. That is, what is the name of chapter? It is some natural phenomena. We already had discussed this chapter in our previous videos. Students, today we are going to discuss the question answers of this part. So let's begin today's video with question number 1. Question 1 is, which of the following cannot be charged easily by friction? Everybody knows what is friction. When we rub our both the palms, क्या होती हैं? गर्म हो जाती हैं. That means friction is there. So the question is asking you कि इन चारों में से ऐसा कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट है, ऐसी कौन सी बॉडी है जो इजीली चार्ज नहीं हो सकती है बाय फ्रिक्शन. Clear class 8th? So read one by one. A plastic scale, a copper rod, an inflated balloon, a woolen cloth. Class 8th, if you remember that I told you कि जितनी भी non-conducting bodies होती हैं they get easily charged. जैसे स्केल को आप अपने बालों से रगड़ते हो, it get charged. सर्दियों में जब आप स्वेटर पहनते हो और उतारते हो, it get charged. But the conducting bodies like metals, they cannot be easily charged by friction. So here the answer is B, a copper rod. Is that clear? Move to the next question, class. When a glass rod is rubbed with a piece of silk cloth, ठीक है, हम ग्लास रॉड को रब कर रहे हैं a piece of silk cloth, then the rod and the cloth both acquire positive charge. Okay, the rod becomes positively charged and the cloth has negative charge. Okay, the rod and the cloth both acquire negative charge. Again, the rod becomes negatively charged while the cloth has positive charge. So after reading all the four option number B is correct. Class 8th, जब हम ग्लास रॉड को पीस ऑफ सिल्क क्लॉथ के साथ रब करते हैं, देखो बच्चा, ये तो आपको पता है कि जब हम उन्हें रब करेंगे उनके पास क्या आ जाएंगे, वो चार्ज बॉडीज हो जाएंगी. और चार्ज बॉडीज जब हो जाएंगी तो दोनों क्या होंगी, अपोजिटली चार्ज हो जाएंगी. और बाय कन्विक्शन वी कंसीडर दैट कि जो आपका रॉड है इट बिकम्स पॉजिटिवली चार्ज्ड व्हाइल द पीस ऑफ द क्लॉथ हैज अ नेगेटिव चार्ज. क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? समझ में आ गया? मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज वेरी इजी, ट्रू एंड फॉल्स. अगर स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है देन यू हैव टू मार्क टी. इफ द स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स देन यू हैव टू मार्क एफ. क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? सो रीड इट. राइट टी अगेंस्ट ट्रू and F against false in the following statement. Okay, read one by one. Like charges attract each other? No, हमने क्या पढ़ा है? They repel each other. So here this statement is false. So you have to mark F. Clear? A charged glass rod attract a charged plastic straw? Yes. देखो दोनों charged हैं, they can attract each other. Clear everybody? So this is true. Lightning conductor cannot protect a building from lightning. अरे भाई वो तो प्रोटेक्शन के लिए ही तो है. हमने पढ़ा था कि बिल्डिंग्स के ऊपर हम एक रॉड लगाते हैं एंड जब भी कभी लाइटनिंग होती है तो वो क्या करता है, वो जितना भी चार्ज एक्वायर करता है उसको कहाँ ट्रांसफर कर देता है, अंडर द अर्थ. क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? सो इट इज फॉल्स. ओके, earthquake can be predicted in advance. No, even though we have so many technologies but we are not having so advanced technology कि हम earthquake को predict कर सकें. Clear everybody? So it is false. Earthquake can be predicted in advance. False. Clear? So all the true false are clear to everyone. Move to the next question, class, and next question is, sometimes a crackling sound is heard while taking off a sweater during winters. Explain. So we know that कि सर्दियों में जब भी हम स्वेटर उतारते हैं तो हमें चर 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 की आवाज़ सुनाई देती है. And everybody knows that why we heard such a sound, because आपका जो स्वेटर है it get charged because of the friction between your body and the sweater. Clear everyone? So students, we will write, when a sweater is taken off, the woolen sweater gets charged because of the friction between the sweater and the body. Hence, one can hear a crackling sound during the given process. Clear everyone? Okay, move to the next question. Explain why a charged body loses its charge if we touch it with our hand. Yes, this is a very good question, class 8th. So students, when we touch a charged object, our body conducts its charges to the earth. Because हम क्या हैं? Conducting body हैं भाई. और हम कहाँ पर खड़े हैं? अर्थ पे खड़े हैं. तो हम क्या करेंगे? उस चार्ज को ट्रांसफर करने का काम करते हैं अर्थ में. Clear everyone? That is why a charged body loses its charge if we touch it with our hand. This phenomenon is known as electric discharge. Is it clear everyone? Okay, move to the next question, and next question is, name the scale on which the destructive energy of an earthquake is measured. Very easy. An earthquake measure 3 on this scale. Would it be recorded by a seismograph? Is it likely to cause much damage? कितने सारे क्वेश्चन है एक ही क्वेश्चन के अंदर. Listen class 8, देखो हमारे पास एक स्केल होता है जिससे हम जो अर्थक्वेक की जो डिस्ट्रक्टिव एनर्जी है जिसको हम मेजर कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, अब उस स्केल की हेल्प से हम एक पर्टिकुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी, एक पर्टिकुलर इंटेंसिटी को मेजर कर सकते हैं कि हाँ, अगर अर्थक्वेक है तो वो इतना डिस्ट्रक्टिव होगा, अगर इतना कम है तो वो डिस्ट्रक्टिव नहीं होगा. क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? एंड इज इट लाइकली टू कॉज मच डैमेज? कितना वाला? if it is measured as 3. Clear? So student, सबसे पहले तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि हम उस स्केल को क्या कहते हैं. Everybody knows Richter scale. ठीक है, और जो हम ग्राफ फॉर्म करते हैं it is by seismograph. Clear? So students, the destructive energy of an earthquake is measured by Richter scale. A very important, class 8th. Okay. This scale has reading from 1 to 10. याद रहेगा? Okay. The reading of magnitude 3 on the Richter scale would be recorded by a seismograph. Clear? ये हमारे क्वेश्चन का आंसर है. Yes, it will be recorded. If the Richter scale gives a reading of magnitude 3, then the earthquake is not likely to cause much damage. ठीक है, इससे हमें ज़्यादा भारी नुकसान नहीं होने वाला. Clear everybody? अगर मैग्नीट्यूड 3 है तो. ओके क्लास, generally earthquake of magnitudes higher than 5 is considered destructive in nature. समझ में आ गया? हमें पता है कि रिक्टर स्केल पे रीडिंग 1 to 10 होती है. अगर मैग्नीट्यूड 5 से कम होता है, the question asks us for the 3 one. ठीक है, अगर 3 is the magnitude in the Richter scale, then it is not so destructive. Clear? But if the magnitude is more than or higher than 5, then it is considered as destructive in nature. Okay, move to the next question. Suggest 3 measures to protect ourselves from lightning. ये हमने पहले भी क्लास 7th में भी पढ़ा है. Clear? So student, it's very easy. The protective measures against lightning are as follows. Number 1, stay in completely closed place. If you are moving in a car, then remain there until the lightning is over. समझ में आ गया? अपनी कार में बैठे रहिए आराम से, निकलने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है जब तक कि लाइटनिंग खत्म नहीं हो जाती है. Close the windows of the car immediately. Simple सा point है, okay? Further we will write, do not touch any electrical wires, telephone cables, metal pipes, etc. क्यों? क्योंकि ये क्या है? Conductors है, okay? Do not bath in running water. Running water का मतलब क्या है? अगर नदी में है तो नहाना बंद कर देना, पानी से बाहर निकल जाना. Clear? This may cause an electric shock. Okay? समझ में आ गया? Move to the next question. Explain why a charged balloon is repelled by another charged balloon, whereas an uncharged balloon is attracted by another charged balloon. It is very simple. Clear? Okay. देखो class, the nature of the charges present on the surface of charged balloon are similar. समझ में आ गया? आपके पास दो बैलून्स हैं, दोनों के दोनों चार्ज हैं और दोनों के ऊपर क्या है एग्जैक्टली जो चार्जेस हैं वो सेम है. और हमें पता है कि जो सेम चार्जेस होते हैं वो एक दूसरे को रिपेल करते हैं, अट्रैक्ट नहीं करते हैं. क्लियर? सिंस लाइक चार्जेस रिपेल ईच अदर, two charged balloons repel each other. Simple sa funda, okay? When a charged body is brought near an uncharged body, the uncharged body acquires charges on its surface caused by the induction of charges. Simple. समझ में आ रहा है? The charges are of opposite nature in relation to the charged body. And class 8, that's why, since unlike charges attract each other, a charged body always attracts an uncharged body. समझ में आ रहा है? इसीलिए दो जो इन्फ्लेटेड बलून हैं, चार्ज बलून हैं, वो एक दूसरे को रिपेल करते हैं. क्लियर? Hence, an uncharged balloon is attracted by another charged balloon. Is it clear, everyone? Move to the next question. And next question is, describe with the help of a diagram an instrument which can be used to detect a charged body. हमने चैप्टर में इसको बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया था. I hope everybody understand that. Okay, so let's revise it again here. Class 8, an electroscope. Again, an electroscope can be used to detect whether a body is charged or not. याद रखिएगा, important है. Okay. The following figure shows a simple electroscope जो हमने चैप्टर में सीखा था बनाना. Clear? Have a look here. This is simple electroscope. अब हम यहाँ क्या करेंगे? We will explain its structure also. कि हमने कैसे इसको बनाया. Okay? It consists of a metal rod. At one end of rod, two leaves of aluminium foil are fixed, and at another end there is a metal disc. Clear? समझ में आ गया? इसका जो other end है वहां पर क्या है? एक metal disc है. The leaves of aluminium foil are placed inside this flask. और इसको हम क्या कह रहे हैं? Inside a conical flask. And the flask is corked to isolate the leaves from the air. Okay? समझ में आ रहा है? हमने हवा से इसको आइसोलेट करने के लिए क्या किया है? इसको कॉर्क से कवर कर दिया है. Okay? Further, when the metal disc is touched with a charged body, the aluminium strips move away from each other. देखो यहाँ पर ये जो हमारी दो एल्यूमिनियम स्ट्रिप्स हैं, they will move from each other. This happens because some of the charge of the body are transferred to the strip through the metal rod. Okay. This method of charging a body is called charging by conduction. Clear everybody? The nature of charge on both the leaves and the charged body are the similar. Hence, both the leaves of the aluminium foil will move from each other. If the body was not charged, then the leaves of the foil would remain as they were before. Clear? अगर हमारी बॉडी चार्ज नहीं होती तो वो जो एल्यूमिनियम की लीव्स हैं वो वैसे के वैसे ही रहती जैसे वो पहले थी. बट द बॉडी इज चार्ज, दैट्स व्हाई ऑल आर हैविंग द सिमिलर चार्जेस. दे विल मूव फ्रॉम ईच अदर. क्लियर? दे वुड नॉट repel each other. Clear, class 8th? Move to the next question, class, and next question is question number 10. List 3 states in India where earthquakes are more likely to strike. Class, it is not possible for us to predict the earthquake कि कहाँ आएगा कब आएगा, but there are some reasons where frequently earthquakes are coming. So student, the 3 states in India where earthquakes are more likely to strike are Jammu and Kashmir, Gujarat and Assam. Remember these 3 states. Clear everyone? Move to the next question. Suppose you are outside your home and an earthquake strikes. What precaution would you take to protect yourself? Again, this is very easy. Okay, so some of the precautions are as follows. Try to find an open field away from the tall buildings, installations, tall trees and electric wires and poles. हमेशा अपने आप को उधर लेके जाओ जहाँ बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंग्स ना हो, जहाँ पर आपके बड़े बड़े पिलर्स ना हो, जहाँ पर खंबे ना हो, जहाँ पर आपके टेलीफोन टावर्स ना हो. क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? क्योंकि जैसे ही अर्थक्वेक आएगा तो वो क्या करेंगे? वो भी गिरेंगे. सो वी हैव टू जस्ट मूव टूवर्ड्स द open field. Okay, if traveling in bus or a car, then do not come out when an earthquake strikes. Ask the driver to drive in an open field. Yes, मान लीजिए हम सफ़र कर रहे हैं, हम कार में हैं, हम हमारी बस में हैं, तो कोशिश करिए कि आप अपनी गाड़ी को वहाँ लेके जाएं जहाँ खुला मैदान है. Clear? Okay. Move to the next question, class, and next question is, the weather department has predicted that a thunderstorm is likely to occur on a certain day. Okay, suppose you have to go out on that day. Okay, would you carry an umbrella? Explain. तो क्लास 8 अगर ऐसा कोई प्रेडिक्शन है हमारे डिपार्टमेंट से, ठीक है, वेदर डिपार्टमेंट से, तो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ तो ये होती है कि हम उसे फॉलो करें, हम बाहर ना आ जाएं. लेकिन सर्कमस्टांसेस ऐसे हैं कि दैट यू हैव टू गो आउटसाइड. देन स्टूडेंट्स, इफ it is asking to me, then my answer is no, I will not carry an umbrella with me. Clear everybody? Why? You know very well. Students, no, we should not carry an umbrella in a thunderstorm. Yes, during thunderstorm which are accompanied with lightning, electric discharge from the clouds can travel through the metallic rod of the umbrella. अब सब बच्चे को छतरी का डायग्राम तो याद है ना? अब सब बच्चों को छतरी याद भी है. इसके ऊपर ये जो रॉड होता है, ठीक है, ये क्या है? कंडक्टिंग है. समझ में आ गया? This may give an electric shock to the person who is carrying it. Hence, it is not safe to carry an umbrella during lightning. So, class 8, with this question, all the question answers of this exercise of this chapter completes here. Write down all the question answers in your science notebook, science register and learn them. Okay, very soon again we will meet in the next video of next chapter. Till then, take care everyone. Thank you.